You all love my Tesla hidden features video so much that it's got over 1 million views, 36,000 likes, and thousands of comments thanking me for showing you 20 hidden features that you actually care about. Today, I'm going to show you 20 more, and unlike all the other videos on YouTube, I have a few that most of you have yet to hear of. So before you think you know it all, watch until the end. I want to thank this video's sponsor, accessoriesfortesla.com, which I'll tell you more about later on. For now, let's jump right into hidden feature number 1. If you've purchased or subscribed to Full Self-Driving, you have a hidden auto park feature that can be accessed as quickly as this. But to get it to work, you need to enable it first. If you dig through the menus, you won't find it because there is no setting, but there is a secret way to get to it. Go to Settings, then Autopilot, tap on Customize Summon, then where it says Require Continuous Press, make sure No is selected. Then exit out and press the parking button on the stalk 3 times quickly when you're ready to park. And there you have it, Hidden Auto Park. For those of you who don't have Full Self-Driving, there are 2 ways to get it for free, and that is by using Tesla's referral program. If you own a Tesla, you have a unique referral code. Suppose someone uses your code to buy a Tesla. In that case, you'll get a minimum of 10,000 credits, which can be redeemed for Tesla accessories, clothing, or upgrades, including premium connectivity and Full Self-Driving. 3 months of Full Self-Driving costs exactly 10,000 credits, so you need to have one person buy a Tesla with your code. On the flip side, if you buy a Tesla and use someone else's code, you'll automatically get $500 off a Model 3 or Y and $1,000 off a S or X, and 3 months of Full Self-Driving. I'll leave my code right here and down below in the video description. In my last hidden features video, I showed you how to manually unlock your charge port if it gets stuck. Today, I'll show you how to do the same for your door handles. If your handles get stuck, either from malfunction or being iced over, you can use the app to unlatch your door handles. In the app, long press on your quick controls, and in the pop-up menu, you'll find a button that says Unlatch Door. Pressing it will not only unlock your door, but will unlatch it and pop it open. Really cool. Go check it out. While we're here in the app, in my last video, I showed you how to add and customize your quick controls. But what I didn't get to show you is that you can actually add one more quick control by pushing another control onto the edge of the screen. It might take a few tries, but it can be done. Make sure to check out the previous video to see how you can customize your quick controls. If you have the Tesla app installed, you can control your Tesla using Siri. Just open Siri and you can ask things like, how much battery do I have in my Tesla?
Tesla is at 35%, which should be good for about 90 miles.
You can even honk the horn and vent the windows. Pretty much anything you can do using the app, you can do it all with Siri without even unlocking your phone. If you try it and it doesn't work, you'll need to enable Siri to communicate with the app by going on your iPhone settings, then Siri in search, and scroll down to the Tesla app and make sure all the options are enabled. This is one of my favorites. Did you know about this one? Let me know down in the comments. If you're ever in an accident, you can have Tesla send you a data report, which will contain all kinds of information like accelerator and brake position data, area of impact, and even the steering angle and steering torque. You can see the status of your seatbelts, autopilot, and cruise control at the time of impact, and tons of other data. In addition, you'll also receive footage from all cameras, including the ones that you can't access, like the front fisheye camera and the side pillar cameras. The report is free, and to get it, you'll need to use a special link I have linked down in the video description. So I just told you about Tesla's cameras that you can't access, but what if I told you there is a way to access all of your Tesla cameras directly from your Tesla? Okay, yes, it is possible, and to do it, you'll need to make sure you're on the latest update. Then go to Settings, and then Service, and if you scroll down, you'll see a camera preview button. Click on it and a window will open, letting you view every camera on your Tesla. This includes the wide, narrow, and side pillar cameras. Go check it out. We all know how to check our settings menu, but your Tesla has a hidden service menu that isn't meant for us to access. And of course, I'm going to show you how right now. When you open your settings, go to Software and scroll down to where it shows the model of your car. Press and hold on the text for 5 seconds, and a window will open asking for an access code. Here, you'll type in service. When you get in, you'll see tons of new information. So much that I don't have time to show you everything, so go check it out. I don't recommend altering any settings in this menu, so please use it at your own risk. If you're ever in drive and need to change gears to reverse or vice versa, you don't have to come to a complete stop to switch gears. As long as you're traveling below 5 miles per hour or 8 kilometers, you can easily change gears while in motion, which can be useful if you need to back up and quickly go forward in an emergency. I wasn't aware of this one, were you? You probably know by now that you can enable blind spot cameras that will show you a video feed of your blind spot when your left or right signals are activated. But did you know that you can change the window's location by dragging it around your screen? You can move it from the bottom left to the top left or near the middle of your screen. Try it out. Which location do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments. If you have a Model 3, open your trunk, and on the right side, underneath the top of the trunk, you'll see this strange screw sticking out. No one knows exactly what it's for, but it can be used with the grocery bag hook specially made for this screw. This aluminum hook screws onto the screw and lets you hang grocery bags or other items to protect them from fumbling around your trunk. I use it all the time, and you can too by getting one from our sponsor, accessoriesfortesla.com. You can find this and thousands of other Tesla accessories for all models and years, like these awesome headrest pillows and all of the accessories I've ever mentioned or you've seen on my channel. You'll also find Tesla clothing and even Tesla apps for your smartphone. Customize your Tesla today by visiting accessoriesfortesla.com via the link in the description. If you plan on visiting a supercharger and want to charge your car with the fastest speed possible, never drive to the supercharger without inputting the address into your navigation. By entering the supercharger location into your navigation, your Tesla will precondition the battery to receive the fastest possible charging speeds as soon as you plug in your car. If you go to the supercharger without navigation, as soon as you plug in your Tesla, it will charge at the slowest speeds while it waits for your battery to precondition. The colder it is outside, the longer this will take. Speaking of superchargers, you can use the Tesla app to view all nearby superchargers and plan a trip. Usually the only way to do this is to use the navigation in your Tesla, but not after watching this. Just open your Tesla app and tap on location. You can see a list of nearby superchargers. If you tap on one, you'll see its charge rate, stall availability, price per kilowatt hour, and any amenities at that location. But what's cool is you can also plan a trip. By typing in your destination, you'll see the trip time, all of the supercharger stops you'll need to make, and the battery percentage when you reach your location. You can even schedule a departure at a specific date and time or plan your arrival, and it will tell you exactly when to leave to reach your destination on time. Once you're ready to go, just hit send to car. It will set the navigation even if you're away from your car, and when you get in the car, the navigation will automatically start navigating. What do you think about this one? Make sure to let me know in the comments. So if you didn't know, your Model 3 and your Model Y both have hidden headrests, and this is how you open it. Just stick your hand in between the stop portion here and push up. Now the Model 3 will just go this high, but the Model Y can also be adjusted. And to put it back down, all you do is hold this button underneath here, press it in, and then push it back down. There you go. Also, when it comes to the rear seats, you can have them recline by using the same button to fold down the seats. Push slightly backwards to recline them into 2 different positions. Did you know about these 2 Model Y features? Let me know down in the comments. If you ever find yourself stuck in mud, snow, or ice, you can turn off traction control to prevent wheel slip by enabling slip start. This will help make it possible to dislodge your Tesla out of a situation in which the wheels are stuck. To do this, go to your settings, then controls, pedals and steering, and tap on the slip to start toggle. Suppose you're away from your Tesla and someone needs to move your car in an emergency. In that case, you can remotely give them access to drive your Tesla, giving the person 2 minutes to get in your car before the doors lock. If you didn't know about this one, leave the video a thumbs up. Another quick one while we're still in the app is you can access all of your climate settings directly from the app. including activating dog mode and defrosting the car. If you've ever lost your media bar and thought it was gone forever, there's a simple way to get it to reappear. If your media bar is swiped down either on purpose or by accident, a new icon will appear in the app drawer, which will be this gray square with a music note. Just tap on it and voila, the music bar will appear again. If you ever need to give someone a jump or provide power to something in an emergency, your Tesla has a 12-volt battery and you can access it just like any other car. Open your front and remove the plastic cover behind the storage. From there, you'll be able to see your 12-volt battery and access the terminals as needed. Do you think this one is handy? Let me know in the comments. This last feature has been added in the 2023.12 update. However, many people still don't know it's there. I'm talking about the scroll wheel customization. You can change your acceleration mode, turn on the steering wheel heater, save dash cam footage, toggle brightness, defrost the car, change fan speed and temperature, open the glove box, and turn on your dome lights, all from the steering wheel. All you need to do is hold down on the left scroll wheel and then you'll see a pop-up menu to quick access these controls. If you want to set one as a default, in your settings, go to Controls, Display, then Scroll Wheel Function. That about wraps this one up. I hope you enjoyed these 20 extra hidden features. Is there anything that you already knew or didn't already know? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you guys have any other hidden features that I didn't mention in this video or the previous video, make sure to drop those in the comments to help the rest of the community. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like these two videos. Until next time, peace.